Mayam sigi video si Manipur top channel lagi update tawbane aduga online application ama slai mayam vacancy su yame 965 ne UPSC na lobe exam ne aduga CMS ka magi post na ado my full information do loina pirake application je haji apply tawbi yare ngarang dagi link se activate tawkre adu kamani apply tawni eligibility criteria na karino online process te apply tawbudum yare kamai tawdino amasung maru oiba link sing du video sigi description da hapake aduga video si skip tawdubida hawbudai loi fu yengbiyu haidi khangdab khotaba yar su myam ko aduga amuk myam si se UPSC na lobe exam ne aduga si se assistant divisional medical officer ne aduga general duty medical officer ne aduga atopa vacancy sing ko through combined medical service examination aise CMS haibne combined medical service examination 2019 aduga sigi apply tawning khotning kangu gi to myam fet chawrak na haige aduga full information hena khangning ga su myam notification gi direct link do video sigi description da hapake apply tawdringai gi mamang da hana notification si loina mak yengning ga su dum yengba yarni ai direct hapake si chawrak pa sum haige maru oiba sing do ko natre video siam sangne ba aduga application fee si candidate should pay rupees 200 ko 200 pay tawduba duga SC ST gumbadi UPSC na lobe exam gi din nil ne pra fee exemption ne aduga pay the fee through online offline online da apply cannot na fee payment si tarosiai offline tarosiai through the SBI ko SBI ta sala kana dum nang salando print out tor kanda kano tarosiai aduga ngarang tangtara thamari link se activate tawkre apply to nobi tamakta aduga last date yam lairi myam date 6/5/2019 ko likely 1 month kumba lairi aduga na haji zikani UPSC ge yam form lakpa se withdrawn form maina ko haide form da sajin granang thaning da bukho taraga di dum withdraw to we ai form je adu withdraw forms adu withdraw to ga haraga di aduga magi tang sida pire 13/5/2019 dagina 25/2019 sisugi manung da withdraw to do nang application form se aduga last fee payment sina by cash ko aduga offline to bukangu gina 5/5/2019 phau online to bukangu gina 6/5/2019 phau exam na date 21/7/2019 da exam to duba aduga result na September natra October this year result out ne mayam khangna bi yar sudum hangbiro aduga yamdra bra sahi sima haije silareto is on 1/8/2019 ko candidate must not have attained 32 years hen lagadi that is the candidate must have born not earlier than 2/8/1987 ko had say kun trying to heal the yadre aduga SC ST gumma mang sai oi ge kangu du ex relaxation apply to bu ya kangu do dum apply to bu ya sahi matong yengaga aduga magi qualification say candidates should have passed the written and practical part of the final MBBS examination ko aduga sita leire post mem yam lai se assistant divisional medical officer haiba mane 300 vacancy lai the assistant medical officer haiba mane 46 vacancy lai junior scale post in central health service da 250 GTMO New Delhi Municipal Council 7 vacancy general duty medical GR2 EDMS NDMC and SDMC gina 362 aduga maru oiba ahem notification da mayam sidai link download tarake adu si hapake aduga mayam na yam toin hangnabado center se kai tadunu hedo adu si UPSC na lobe exam gi center se Manipur Imphal tolakani adum sus taraga do Manipur da thabi exam se ko singarang da link se activate tawbane aduga sagumba id India da UPSC quite saw my commission se sin lobe exam se aduna si apply to view ma'am saguma khudong sa se mangan bigano ko dugi emikat ki matang da pay scale ki matang mas lone ramani online apply to ge hadi na se upsc sorry UPSC online.nic.in changage apply tawbu yai khot pe ko ai mathang mathang lo hierarchy sigi su myam aduga nangi thagat kadabada changgadaba darkar tabasing ID card PAN card passport driving license haidi ama hata ama hekta ko Aadhaar card original use tawni thagat matamda withdrawn tawbigi matamda sloina pi sida ngasa hagi bising de myam MA card kar matamda download tawbi yai penalty for wrong answer negative marking labra leitabra haimina singba the facility facilitation counter for guidance of candidate mobile phone ban haidi inside exam hall ko mobile phone pusinba yada be khotta be du maru be sing loin haire center of examination ju myam sida lare myam myam toin hangba center ju kai tagi sidi yong imphal yawre imphal dum yorong ani myam I series da imphal yare to sida imphal da exam thabe yare ko adum tabe yare center se adu moina imphal karai dono haiduri na MK lakpada khangani inside Manipur manung di thabe yare adu ko vacancy se myam yame ko sipi se vacancy wise loi pi to officially thokpane si notification se ngasai dun maru oiba sing aina pick up tora kan haibene ba ngasai du khotang khanga se yare myam mahen ba aduga kanogi matang da su ex relaxation gi matang da su loina haire sida eligibility haire sida to should be citizen of India age limit chu sida haire adagi thang loin haira mani sida lamaroina mayam video si yam sangdana ba physical and medical standard khalur matungda fee payment loina si yaramya loi sida yengo myam ko aduga maru applies kamain tawgani khotkani haibna singwa education qualification sida lawyer yoramani aduga hanba sida sangage myam si loina utlai ri pa lai ri thiengani ba sangani video sam aduna maru for sigi link se myam kisungwa sigi link se direct hapake video gi description da ko direct hapake aduga dum isana dum yengjer si yare link singrang de activate tawbuda ngai ni adu ngarang activate tawkhre aduna haji apply tawbi yare ba adu apply se kamai tawni haibse adu matang ma herke ma ma'am si direct website ne UPSC ki ko upsc.gov.in sida one sang ane koin official website de UPSC ki adu gi dum sing thabiro ma'am the iroi loibada sumaina anya ngarang su CDS ki exam result out oibagi video semkre adumaina adugi scroll tor sum sing thara kan ko apply online habam thingna ne ba ko apply online sta ko click tawduba apply online click tawlo matung da maina hajik ain mamang su video semkre UPSC ga no form lak pasing ko ID IAS engineering kangu gi form lakre adu hajik dum thari aduga mari lainana ajigi anishu busida online application for various examinations sangbi ramya sanglor matungda online application for various examination of UPSC amu sangbi rosida mu isang malor matungda sida thole ko CMS ki combined medical service examination gi ko narang lai that for notification all information is given here aduga part 1 registration lai myam part 2 registration lai maru oina part 1 part 2 si registration kamai tawgani habe matang na haige part 1 the registration tawbuse myam ahan ra khoi information katane khona submit tawdise information submit tawda khoina maru oina hapdise hauji isana sizinaribe email amasung phone number hapdine ba ko si part 1 form fill up taw matamda hapani akhoina adu haplura matungda phone number ga email ga haplurani khoi all the information khoi submit taroni sagi ko aduga once we done akhoine rukano phangani moidigi commission digi moine tax tak ne khoida registration number haiba mane password haiba mane ko aduga adu phangama loim tungda part 2 da login tawrani part 2 da login tawrani akhoina exam center khalani imphal ta ba kangu gi ko adu khalani adu khalloi loiraba matungda coin tawdise adu khalurani du loi photo na singba amasung signature na singba upload tarani aduga general OBC gi oiba kangu gi di fee exemption no kana sai fee payment tawrai aduna taba kangu general gum oiba kangu di fee payment tawrani aduga complete or nang form submission se aduga dum print out to yare. For example sigi tungan na video amuk semjagi myam site pulap hairi sangane ba si kamaina part 1 je storak pa hange part 1 gi sange link ni si part 1 gi ko magi term and condition si kamaina form submission tam si loina parani myam palur matang da yes ta namani ko adukanda sida haireng sai si part 1 registration ne myam si part 1 registration ji myam khoi gi ming hange gender hange date of birth hange father name hange mother name hange nationality hange martial status hange si community hange loina si fill up ta wirani fill up ta loi matang na email siga sida hai sungje shoi da bida phone number ga pi yo myam aduga once we aduga khoina continue na mani loina fill up ta loi matung da aduga khoi email ga kanoga lakane ba khoi da ko adu loi matung da khoina login tawne dum login taw bai step by step athan dum laksaradamni ko aduga khangdaba gyan ta da yaro sumyam comment box ta hiro video siam sangdore aduga anawu video amo orju siam semaki ko and thank you so much guys for watching the video and bye for now. Bye bye.